Welcome guys, welcome back. I know you guys been wondering where I was. I've been working and been doing a lot of other little stuff. Just getting prepared for the holidays. And what I'm about to do now is change this shower curtain out for this one. Yeah, so that's what I'm about to do. But before I get started, I'm going to wipe my bathroom down and everything. So I'm using me some soft scrub with bleach, so I gotta be careful. It cleans and whitens it with one wipe. Wow, and you're done. Okay, so I'm about to get started and pull this back and get ready and get to working. Okay, you guys, so hold on. Okay, you guys, as you can see, I got my shower curtain up. You can see she got her little afro puff, her sunglasses, a little lipstick, ready to go. Yeah, I like this color, you guys. So yeah, so I clip my my arms are tired. You know how you reach in and put the shower curtain up? I'm tired. So yeah, I clip my bathroom, and I also sprayed my tile down with this awesome daily shower cleaner. Yeah, so yeah, I had sprayed it down and everything. So yeah, so okay, brand new shower curtain. How cool is that? I like the little clips in her hair. Okay, you guys, so that's what I wanted to show you, and I'm all done now. So I will catch you on the next video. I have to take all of this other shower curtain downstairs. It got to be washed and all this type of stuff. So yeah, so I will catch you guys later on, and I thank you for watching. Bye bye for now. Ooh, my arms are so tired. Bye guys.